Silicone face brushes, immune boosters, IV cocktails. The federal government is warning you not to fall for any COVID-19 cures and claims. I-Team reporter Ginger Allen looks at some of the promises that you may see popping up.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration continues to state there currently are no products proven to treat or prevent COVID-19. And yet, the Federal Trade Commission says it has found a Miami Beach company on Amazon claiming this sonic silicone facial brush will ramp up your beauty and fight off the virus. A Canadian company states a few sprays of its natural mushroom mist may prevent invaders such as the coronavirus. FTC agents say a Florida business stated that its device emits sound frequencies that target coronavirus. On its website, a Swedish company promises its air purifier could be the answer, destroying cancer cells and the coronavirus. And right here in Arlington, the FTC and the Attorney General warned this medical spa to stop claiming its vitamin C IV drip could both prevent and treat COVID-19, partially by using hashtag promises they say the company could not prove.
When you reached out to the Arlington company, did they respond immediately to you and the Attorney General's office?
They responded rather quickly, and they resolved the matter.
Following the warning, Jim Elliott with the FTC says the North Texas business deleted the claims. In a statement to the I-Team, it apologized and said we were in no way trying to harm or scam anyone. The I-Team has found some of the other companies' websites appear to have been updated as well. Elliott says while some entities are scam artists, others are well-intended companies which have just crossed the line. Either way, it's a concern and it's against the law.
Having the false claims can be very dangerous, whether it's financially or whether it's physically. Consumers can lose a lot of money on some of these treatments, and they can also physically become ill.
Our experts say ignore offers with cure and preventative promises, hang up on robocalls making these pitches, and report any suspicious claims you see or hear to the Better Business Bureau, the Texas AG's office, and to the FTC through their very simple fill-in-the-box online complaint processes. I'm Ginger Allen, CBS 11 News.
And just so you know, Ginger did put Arlington Med Spa's full statement on our website. Bioenergy Wellness tells her that its website is now in compliance. Life Air says they do plan to make some changes, and we have not heard from the other companies mentioned. Whether you have a question about the coronavirus or not, the I-Team is always here working for you. Send Ginger or the team your questions or your tips to iteam@ktvt.com.